far stuff as they can.
There's a lot of people on the trail today.
I'm taking pictures. I don't want to
You sure you want to be on this side or you want to walk on this side? She's walking on this side.
I feel like this is more sad.
Yeah. We're gonna have lunch up there. Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Wait, stop.
Beautiful nature.
Nature fact. Did you know that you can make paint out of flowers?
Really?
Yeah, by just smearing it on something.
Oh yeah, we had that talk. I remember. Oh, so pretty. It's a lot of them.
If you ever see a rose, see if it's moist.
Okay.
If it's moist, smudge it on the ground.
All right.
If you don't want to,
Yeah.
then it's okay. Oh, there's purple flowers.
Where, baby? Oh, there it is. So pretty.
Zaya! Come here.
Look, it's purple
We
flowers.
found purple flowers. Your favorite color. I need to tie my shoe.
Okay, tie your shoe, baby.
I'm gonna double tie it this time.
Got it?
Look at some of the little tiny bushes there.
You can't run up there, boy. The boys had to just want to go up there and see how far they could go. Trying to make sure my baby's okay. Take your time. Thanks, kids.